Did you know that a simple kitchen ingredient, baking soda, might be the secret weapon in your garden? But can it really help cucumber plants grow stronger and healthier? In today's video, we're digging into a hot gardening tip, using baking soda on cucumber plants. It's all over gardening forums, but is it truly helpful or just hype? Let's find out. Cucumber plants are a favorite in many home gardens, but they're also known to be sensitive. From powdery mildew, which leaves white spots on leaves, to fungal diseases that can wipe out entire plants, these challenges leave many gardeners frustrated. Poor soil conditions and pH imbalance also affect cucumber growth, leading many to search for natural, low-cost solutions like baking soda. But does it actually work? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is known for its antifungal properties. Some gardeners believe it helps prevent powdery mildew by creating an alkaline environment on the leaf surface where fungi can't thrive. Others say it can help balance overly acidic soil, but there's a catch: it must be used correctly. Too much baking soda can harm plants by affecting nutrient uptake and disrupting natural soil life. To test it out, we applied a diluted baking soda spray, 1 tablespoon per gallon of water, to a group of cucumber plants every 7 days for 4 weeks. Another group was left untreated. The results? The treated plants showed fewer signs of mildew and had slightly more vibrant leaves. However, we noticed that spraying during hot weather caused slight leaf burn. This tells us baking soda can be effective, but only when used carefully and under the right conditions. So, does baking soda help cucumber plants? Yes, when used in moderation, it can help fight mildew and balance pH. But overuse or misuse may do more harm than good. Have you tried using baking soda in your garden? Drop your experience in the comments. And don't forget to watch our next video on 5 natural ways to boost your vegetable garden's growth. You won't want to miss it.